Wabanaka. We're here on day 3 of a visit to Fiji. We've come to Maramarua Primary School or high school as well here today to open a kindergarten built with the resources of the Republic of Fiji Military Force and the Australian Defence Force. It's just a fantastic grassroots symbol of the strength of this relationship. We talk about Bubali, about family. Well, family starts with our children and educating our children. So this is a magnificent way to complete our visit here and be part of a real celebration of the future for Fiji. Look, our welcome here with Maike and so the singing and the dancing has been absolutely heartwarming. The community is really overjoyed today at this occasion, and have the President and the First Lady here as well. I think historically it's a great occasion, but as I say again, it's just a fantastic representation of the nature of our relationship, and it just shows that when our two countries work together, enormously good things can happen for both countries.